guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventures. And today we're going to make a fruity smoothie popsicle. Let's get started. What will we need? We'll need frozen fruit. What else? Oh yeah, I brought some fruit. But I was thinking about fresh fruit, but that's fine too. What else? We'll be needing juice. Oh yeah, I brought some juice with me. It's orange juice. And tools. I brought a blender. And I brought a measuring cup. Let's get started. We need to cut the fruit. I got this. Hi-ya! Wow! I'm gonna try doing the apple, okay? Ready, set, let's do this. Hi-ya! Wow! We did it! We cut the fruit without using a knife. Okay. We're going to put, 2 cups of fruit. That's 1 cup, 2 cups. Do this whole thing. Whoa. Whoa. Hold the pitcher. Whatever it's called. Wow. I think we just got peaches and 1 strawberry in our 2 cups. Okay. So, I'm gonna open this. Put the fruit in. And then we're gonna put 2 cups of orange juice. But make sure you shake it. Tell me when to stop. Stop? Okay, good. You didn't tell me. No, I couldn't say stop. Okay. Now, let's pour. Oh! We're gonna put a half of the banana in our smoothie once we peel it. Yeah. Because we don't want the skin. And we're going to put the whole apple, since it was a small one. Okay, put the seed on. Okay, the smoothie's almost to its top. And now we'll put the lid on. Make sure you put it on the right way. Now let's plug it in. No, wait! Don't, or it'll blow up and then we have to clean the ceiling. What? Now you can. Okay. Now, which button to press? This one? Oh, it's a smoothie. Okay, this one. Since we are done with our smoothie mix for our popsicles, we have a few ideas for our containers. You can use this ice tray and toothpicks and saran wrap. That's plastic wrap. Oh, plastic wrap. Pour this in, take the plastic wrap, put it on, open your toothpick jar, take a toothpick and stick it in and go stick and put it. For these toothpicks, don't go plop and fall down. And you need the toothpicks unless you're trying to make ice cubes that are smoothie and throw them in your mouth. Wait, I was thinking a different idea. Like these. We fill them up with smoothies and just put the cap on and put it in the freezer. And this one too. It's basically the same thing. Except it's the animals. So we're going to do this idea. Okay? We're going to do those two. Okay, careful. Very slowly. That's good, that's good. We'll clean that up. 1 done. Get the other one, quickly. Okay. Don't do it as fast.
I can't see where I'm going.
That's the dog. Okay. Sounds good. This one.
I shouldn't have poured that much.
Stop. Which way does? Oh, it goes this way. Out. I'll tell you when.
We can get a spoon and scoop it all out.
Okay. Stop. It's directional. Just make sure it's good.
And these are directional. They have like triangles that have to be with the triangles. Other triangles.
Yeah. Stop. We'll scoop that out. Yeah. Later. Okay. This one.
I'm really bad at pouring. Only one is perfect.
Stop! Oh my gosh. You're going, man.
Oh, we're doing that?
Yeah. It's the easiest thing I thought of.
I thought we would put some in our mouth.
No.
No, like the first scoop. I mean the last scoop.
Okay. Oh, wrong way. We'll scoop this one out right now. Okay, we're pretty much done with that. Okay. Now we put them in the freezer. Now we're done pouring our smoothies inside our popsicle maker thingies. The molds. The molds. So now we'll put them in the fridge, and we have leftover smoothie. So let's drink it. But wait, how long do we leave it inside the freezer? Let's see, maybe a day. Overnight. Till tomorrow. Every day and night. Till tomorrow. Yeah, I'll take these ones. Since they're ready, now we're going to open them and eat them. It's too cold to take a bite. It tastes like a smoothie. Kind of tastes like lemonade. It tastes so good. It's like an icicle. It does taste like a popsicle. Popsicles almost always taste like popsicles. Before our popsicles melt, I hope you like this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!